Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. Today I am back with one more multiplication trick. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. Okay, any number with the lines. In my previous video I have shown you this symbols. I hope you remember. Okay, and today I will not show you any symbols. In this type of symbols I will not show you. I will show you with some lines. Okay, so 2 3 1 4. First what you will do, take the previous digits of this number 2, make a big line, then 3, make 3 lines, clear? Then 1, make 1 line, take 4, 1 2 3 4. You all will think, what is this, what ma'am is doing? Okay, this is very nice, interesting one. Okay, so this one goes for 1 digit, this part and this part you will get the middle digit, this part you will get the 100 place digit. How to find? See, wherever there is a line intersecting with each other, take it as a point. So here is one point, here is one point, here is one point, like this. How many points are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You can't write 12, you have to write 2, carry 1 for this one. You have to carry this. How many intersecting points are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 plus 1, that is 12. So 12, carry 1. How many points are here? 1 2, carry 1, that is 3. So what's your answer? Your answer will be 322. So you can recheck it by using calculator or by using this method which I have shown you before. 4 into 2, 12, carry 1, cross 3, 8, 12, again you write the one, carry 1 will go, 2 into 1, 2, 3. Yes, same answer. By this method I have solved this. So same answer. That means you can do in this way also. So let me recap it. What I have done, take the digits, make line. First 2, 2 and 3. So I have made 1, 2 and for here 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then this side 1 and 4, make one line, 4 from this side and 1 and 4 here. Then this portion you take for the ones place, the middle two portion goes for the tens place and this side portion goes for the 100 place. Now you have to count the intersecting points. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this intersecting points. Intersecting points means where you will get join of two line. Understood? Where you will get the join of two line, two intersecting points will be there. That point you have to calculate. And now suppose if it is coming more than 10, you have to take the carry as usual we are doing in normal method. You take the carry to the middle point. So middle point, again you count those intersecting points and add that carry. Whatever answer, again you are getting carry. Carry this side to the 100 place. 100 place you calculate this one. I hope it is clear. Let's do one more. Then you will be more clear. And this sum, one loophole is here. You can't take big numbers like 89 or 90 because those lines you can't make that time. That previous method will be easy. This method will be easier. This one you can do with small numbers where 1, 2, 3 like this numbers will come. 12 into 11, very easy. So 1, make one line. For 2, make 2 line. For 1, make one line, for this one make one line. Okay. So, this portion you will take this and this for the middle portion and this for the end portion. So, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So, your answer is 132. Easy? Okay. Now, I will show you one 3-digit sum. 3 digits, how it will be? 1, 2, 1 multiply with 1, 2, 1, or you can take a bit like this you can take. I am taking small numbers because these sums I told you, you can take with small numbers only, because if you take 8, 9, you can't draw so many lines. That time you have to use the previous method of those arrows and cross. Okay. So, 1, then 2, then 1, this side 1, 2 is there, 2, and this side 2. So, just check from this corner, diamond shape it should come. So, this portion one sum will come, this middle portion single will come, this and this. Okay. This 2, one answer will come here, one number will come here, and this middle one, this, one answer will come here, this, here one answer will come, this one answer will come. So, let us do it very fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here 1, 2, 3, 4, so easy, 1. So, your answer is 14762, 14762. You can recheck your answer later on. So, I hope this video is very interesting for you all. Please watch the full video and don't forget to comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for today. Have a great day. Bye bye.